Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into why CrowdStrike stock just took a nosedive, dropping a whopping 10%. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk numbers. CrowdStrike shares recently fell around 10%, mainly due to a weak Q1 earnings outlook. Right now, the stock is trading at approximately $342.18. That's quite a hit considering the company had been performing pretty well up until now. For Q4 2024, which ended on January 31st, 2025, CrowdStrike actually beat expectations. They reported earnings per share of $1.03 and revenue of $1.06 billion, a 25% year-over-year increase. However, they also reported a net loss of $92.3 million, compared to a net income of $53.7 million during the same period last year. That's a massive swing in the wrong direction. Now here's where it gets tricky, their guidance for Q1 2025. CrowdStrike is expecting earnings per share of just 64 to 66 cents, much lower than the 95 cents analysts had anticipated. For the full fiscal year 2026, they're forecasting earnings per share between $3.33 and $3.45, again missing the mark set by analysts who expected $4.42. Revenue projections are in line, aiming for $4.74 to $4.81 billion. What's causing this slump? Well, a significant factor is the overhang from a global IT outage back in July 2024. This incident is expected to cost them an additional $73 million in Q1 2025 and $43 million in post-outage deal packages. These costs have heavily impacted their free cash flow margins, though they expect recovery to above 30% by FY 2027. Despite these setbacks, some analysts remain optimistic about CrowdStrike's future. Mizuho has an outperform rating with a target price of $375. Wedbush raised their price target to $390, and Citi upped theirs to $400. They believe that the headwinds from the outage will diminish as we move further into the new fiscal year. CEO George Kurtz is also quite positive. He describes CrowdStrike as a comeback story and emphasizes the importance of AI in cybersecurity. He believes that the company will bounce back stronger. So, there you have it, folks. While CrowdStrike is facing some tough times right now, there's still a lot of optimism about its future. If you're an investor, it might be worth keeping an eye on how things unfold in the coming months. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.